This simple combination of single crochets and double crochets creates a beautiful textured fabric that is much easier than it looks. The Silt Stitch is perfect for projects like scarves, blankets, and many more. Let me show you exactly how to crochet it step by step. The first step is to make a slip knot. The foundation chain for the Silt Stitch is a multiple of 3. So start with 3 chains. Add 3. Three. Keep adding until you get your desired length. But for today's demonstration, I'm making 24 chains. Skip the first 3 chains. Then work a double crochet in the 4th chain. These 3 skipped chains count as our first double crochet, so I'll mark the top of the chain. Let's continue. Work a double crochet into each of the remaining stitches across the row. Skip 2 stitches. Work a single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat this across, and I'll meet you towards the end of the row. We have 3 stitches left. Skip 2 stitches and work a single crochet on top of the chain 3 from the row below. Usually, to start a row of double crochets, we chain 3 and turn, but because I want to have straight edges throughout and also avoid having the gap that chain 3 creates, I'll use a stacked single crochet. So to start row 3, just turn your work. In the very first stitch, work a single crochet, then find the left vertical bar of the single crochet we just completed. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That's a stacked single crochet. Mark it as the first double crochet for this row. Carefully identify the top of each stitch from the row below and work a double crochet in each of the remaining stitches. Continue working across the row. We have come to the end of row 3. So from this point on, we are going to repeat row 2 and row 3 until your project reaches the desired length or width. Let's work row 4 and row 5 together, then discuss the best way to use this stitch for your future projects. Chain 1 and turn to start row 4. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch. In the first stitch, work a single crochet and 2 double crochets all in the same stitch. Mark the first single crochet. skip 2 stitches, then work a single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same space. Skip 2 stitches, work 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same space. Continue and I'll meet you towards the end of the row. We have 3 stitches left. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the last stitch which we marked earlier. To start row 5, just turn your work and make a stacked single crochet in the very first stitch. Mark it as the first double crochet. Double crochet in each of the stitches across. The Silt Stitch is a versatile, all-season stitch that works beautifully with different types of yarn. For example, with cotton yarn, it's perfect for spring and summer projects like lightweight scarves, shawls, sleeveless vests, table runners, and cushion covers. Then with acrylic yarn, it creates warmer fabric that is ideal for scarves, blankets, cushion covers, and other fall and winter accessories. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more beginner stitch tutorials and crochet projects. Thank you for watching.